Hi guys, welcome back to macStudioA, and in this episode, here's 10 useful Mac keyboard shortcuts to improve your macOS workflow. So let's get started, and in no particular order. Number 1. Activate Spotlight to launch apps or files directly. Press Command Spacebar and begin typing the app or file that you're looking for. Then either hit return on search bar results, or click on suggested app or file to open. Number 2. Open a new window. Depending on what app you're currently using, pressing Command N opens a new window for that app as shown. Number 3. Create a new folder anywhere by simply pressing Shift Command N and name folder to whatever you like. Number 4. Create new folder from selected items. After selecting items as shown, press Ctrl Command N to create a folder with selected items enclosed and simply name folder to whatever you like. Number 5. Say you have many windows open for many apps, all stacked over each other as shown. To quickly switch between apps and their related open windows, while holding down Command, press and release Tab key to cycle forward, or Shift Tab to cycle backward over open apps. Release Command key to bring forward all windows for selected app, or before releasing the Command key, press Q to quit or close all open windows for selected app. Number 6. Force quit selected app. If for whatever reason an application does not respond or shows a small spinning beach ball, press Command Option Escape. Select the non-responding app, then click the Force Quit button and confirm. Number 7. Enter in or out of full screen mode by simply pressing Ctrl Command F as shown. Number 8. Take screenshot of entire screen or screens if you have more than one monitor by pressing Shift Command 3. Number 9. Show or hide the dock by pressing Command Option D. Number 10. Lock screen immediately by pressing Ctrl Command Q. Thumbs up if you like this episode, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace.